صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم.
Chapter on An-Najàsat, impure and filthy things, which fall in cooking butter, ghee, which is obtained by evaporating moisture from butter and water. Footnote: An-Najàsat, impurity or impure things, is either A. Physical or B. Spiritual. A. Physical as regards urine, stool, and sexual discharges, etc. B. Spiritual as regards not having belief in the oneness of Allah and His Messenger, Muhammad peace be upon him. For example, Al-Mushrikun. See Quran, chapter 9, verse 28. The Quran. Al-Mushrikun, polytheists, pagans, idolaters, and disbelievers in the oneness of Allah and in His Messenger, Muhammad peace be upon him. Az-Zuhri said, "There is no harm in using water if its taste, odor, or color is not changed." Hamad said, "There is no harm if the feathers of dead birds fell in it." About the bones of dead animals like an elephant, Az-Zuhri said, "I met some of the old, learned religious men who were using them, bones, as combs and as containers for oiling, etc. And they found no harm in that." Ibn Sirin and Ibrahim said, "There is no harm in the trade of ivory." Narrated Maymuna, may Allah be pleased with her, Allah's Messenger peace be upon him was asked regarding ghee, cooking butter, in which a mouse had fallen. He said, "Take out the mouse and throw away the ghee around it and use the rest." Narrated Maymuna, may Allah be pleased with her, the Prophet peace be upon him was asked regarding ghee in which a mouse had fallen. He said, "Take out the mouse and throw away the ghee around it and use the rest." Narrated Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, the Prophet peace be upon him said, "A wound which a Muslim receives in Allah's cause will appear on the day of resurrection as it was at the time of infliction. Blood will be flowing from the wound, and its color will be that of the blood, but will smell like musk, perfume.